Patients, we are currently experiencing some minor difficulties. For your own safety, please remain in your rooms.
A cell door is open. Cells locked down.
I can't believe I did that. Oh no, I'm shaking. It's wrong to kill. Don't tell me that it's not.
I'll scout ahead, Danny. You follow me whenever you're ready. We need a weapon. Get a syringe from the supplies office. Don't leave any witnesses. Try to get past your fellow inmates without them seeing you. Move into the shadow. They can't see you if you're in the shadow. Make for the shadows ahead when their backs are turned. If you make a noise, they'll hear you. You still got it, man. They didn't see a thing. You're a bit rusty, Danny. You're gonna have to do better than that. Oh, we ain't ever gonna survive this if you can't even sneak past a couple of wackos.
Control had to do a little therapy on Gibbs, but we're pretty quiet now.
Storm scaring the loonies. No big deal. We're fine. All under control.
Frank, you down there? Frank!
Pete! Pete! What the fuck's going on?
Who are they? Shit! What are we gonna do? What happened here? Was she my wife? This is bad. Something real bad happened here. What happened, Leo? I know this place.
Jesus, Daddy, you're scaring me! Daddy! Let go of me, Daddy!
You will not remember anything before this moment. You will not remember us being here.
Watchdogs. They got here fast. Look somewhere else. Not here. Try to remember where you put it. They're the cleanup crew. Do? We're gonna do what they trained us to do. We're gonna kill them. The project happened here. We need to get your flashlight. Fuck, no syringe. You kept some in the bathroom upstairs. See if they're still there. We need to be alone for this.
Frady? Pacula. Where the fuck are those guys? Fucking amateurs. You don't reckon it's the target? He couldn't have got here before us on foot. Get this place lit up and we'll have a look around. What's happened to the lights? Let's spread out.
Shit, that's the target. All units, target sighted. Repeat, target sighted. He's over there. Get after him. Charlie Squad has a sighting. Seal his street off. We see the perp. He's on the main street.
Halt! Put your hands in the air!
I think we got the fucker cornered. What then?
Open fire! There he is! Freeze! Over here! We got him! Got him in my sights!
Hurry, he's getting out! He's heading for the street!
Where is he? We've lost him! Ah, he's gone!
I've got one last issue to resolve, Danny. I gotta do it by myself. Meet me at the safe house. Freedom, my man. Freedom. I gotta hide from these cops. I need a distraction. One of these garages must contain something I can use. Everything's gonna be all right, honey.
Is that those cats again? Who's out there?
All units, we lost the target.
Harold! Someone's outside! Something set the light off. It's an intruder! Someone's in the garden!
Sweetheart, are you okay? What happened to you?
Don't go anywhere. I'll be back in a minute. Hey, I got us a new toy to play with. This is gonna hurt you more than it's gonna hurt me. I always wondered what the inside of a man's skull looks like.
He needs a familiar face. Go get him one. The hunters can't hear us with this music blaring. Just remember to stay in the shadows.
I've spoken to the man. They got a treat for us tonight. Young, blonde, real pretty. She's real young. Who the fuck let that stranger in? Send a girl backstage.
How young? The last one was way too old.
I don't recognize that face, and only faces I recognize get in. Get the fuck out of here. Hey, George, come on in. Say, you're looking a little pasty today. What did you do to George, you fucking fuck?
Look at what we got!
We think he's trying to get to the train yard. This is our last chance, soldiers. Take up your positions or ready your weapons.
We have his exit sealed. Moving to intercept. Slippery bastard. Fuck it. We have operatives in place around the building. Private, drop your pack and get ready to climb after him on my command.
Daniel Lamb, know this. You are surrounded.
Ah, fuck it. Pickman only wants the head. Send the chopper over to soften him up. All right, Private. After the third sweep, he's all yours. The damn vermin got out, but he can't have gotten far. You two light up and cover this area. The chopper will do a circle and sweep the shadows. Positive sighting on the fugitive. Daddy! Ah!
Daddy, a man with blood on him!
Son, you shut that door and you remember what I taught you!
2 targets are harder to hunt. I'll see you at the train yard a couple of blocks from here. You need a better view, Danny. See if you could get higher. You were supposed to lose the damn helicopter. Get underground. No surrender, Danny. There's gotta be a way out of there. Alright, stay on your feet. Follow the drain, but try to find a way back onto the street. Show no mercy, Danny. This whole town is a project dormitory. You're almost there, Danny. I'm just a block from here, but the streets are crawling. You're nearly there, Danny. See you on the other side. Lucky for me, that helicopter decided to follow you. Unlucky for you, that searchlight will cut through the darkest shadow.
Who the fuck are you strolling in like that? Show me some ID first. You just can't walk in here and start dishing out orders. This isn't a police state yet.
Sir, I'm trying to tell you. We believe an escaped mental patient is in the vicinity. Of course, sir. Good enough? Dumb fuck. No sign of the target yet. I'm going to hold the interior.
If you found what you're looking for, meet me at the front. Shit! More watchdogs coming in. I'll do what I can down here.
Who are these fucking people?
Hey, handsome. Hey, baby, are you cold? Come inside. I'll warm you up. I like that rugged type. Finally, a real man walks into town.
Watch out for those security lights, Danny. They detect motion so they can be fooled. I don't like this, Danny. I smell project. It's a setup.
Like a lamb to the slaughter, Danny. Sergeant, this man is ours.
Find some gasoline. Whoa, Danny, you are sick. Let's light up a few more of these bastards. Let's distract these guys so we can burn that barrier down.
Are you sure about this, Leo? Be careful.
Hired help. If they only knew what they were part of. Ignorance isn't innocence. Our little assassination mission seems to have made them jumpy. Let's see if we can't make them jump some more. More fuel. Now I just need to find the tinder. Well, this is it. Goodbye, Danny. You've been useful.
New directive from corporate. More deliveries. It's been non-stop since Tuesday. No, they want to be sure we're using the intruder lockdown alarm without hesitation. Better safe than sorry. The usual corporate bullshit. You got it. Don't forget the fire drill on Friday.
I'm looking for Judy.
Can I help you? Can you wait a minute? I'll check. There's a guy here asking for Judy. Orange overalls, glasses, 10 minutes? No problem, sir. We'll keep him entertained.
He's here. No fucking way. He's a fucking psycho. That was years ago. He barely remembers who I am.
Stay away. They'll kill both of us.
Die, you fucking bitch!
We need something to cut this mesh.
The hell was that?
Oh, yeah.